I am Kelly Herring, the founder and CEO of Healing Gourmet, and have helped thousands of people to optimal health and weight. Most brownies make you fat. But there are ways to make any dessert into a healthy, fat-burning version that will make you leaner. You don't have to sacrifice your health to enjoy dessert as often as you like. Thanks to the latest in nutritional science, it can be downright easy to create desserts that are sweet and delicious. We use the metabolic power ingredients to create the world's healthiest desserts. Simple Guide, Guilt-Free Desserts, your guide to better baking, featuring 50 all-natural, fail-proof, gluten-free and low-glycemic desserts. You will know about an amazing fiber which adds a cotton candy sweetness and creamy mouthfeel to desserts, while feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. You will know the sour side of artificial sweeteners, learn how these products can actually cause weight gain, worsen diabetic symptoms, and are linked to dozens of harmful side effects. Know about the almost sugar loved by health experts and pastry chefs alike. This organic sweetener has 0 calories and no glycemic impact and can replace sugar cup for cup. You will learn how to add invisible fiber to your desserts, without changing the flavor, texture or preparation. While the fiber may play a disappearing act, the benefits to your digestive and immune systems do not. Then there is the sweet equivalence of 5 all-natural low-carb sweeteners, so you will know just how much to use and how they compare to sugar. There is a secret canned ingredient sitting in your cabinet today which can provide a boost of protein and a light, springy structure to baked goods. The brand new, all-natural sweetener you can find in your local supermarket that combines 2 ingredients to perfectly match the taste of sugar. You will learn how to use natural gums to improve the texture and structure of baked goods, as they help to improve your digestion and keep your blood sugar on an even keel. There is a type of sugar that can lower cholesterol and triglycerides and even improve blood sugar metabolism. You will learn which sweetener can add a rich, caramel taste to baked goods. What are sugar alcohols? Which to use and how to use them. You will learn about 12 different ingredients you can use to bind your baked goods. And much more.